Okay, guys, so I promised you guys to show you the chicken coop. So here we go. Oh, running straight to teleport! Oh, I'm trying to pass it. Yeah, something's been killing them. We only have 7 chickens. So there they are. We used to have 10. Now we got 7. Soon little freaking eggs. Oh, it's warm. It's warm in here. It's even warm right there. It's warm right here. Oh, this is why I like the chicken coop. There's chickens you can chase around. And it's warm. So there's the chicken coop. I'm gonna grab a handful. And oh, it's so funny. What type of chicken feed the mom get? Oh. Alright, so here's the chicken coop, yeah. Not that much. Oh, time to show you inside. Okay. So I stepped in a bunch of mud at the pig pen, so I'm gonna take my shoes off here. I didn't jump in. Here's a house. Since we're gonna show this video also to Chris, might as well show Chris the whole entire house. Living room. Showing it to Chris, my sister. Dining room, kitchen, mom's room, living room, laundry room, my bathroom, and here my sister's, my bedroom, my sister's bedroom. So, yeah, bye.